everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, make sure you leave some ideas on what you would like to see in the future. So I would say my freaking channel is probably about like a little bit of everything. I don't want to do like what other people are doing, but then again, I am doing it. But I'm trying to make a platform for myself. So if you understand what I'm saying, if you're like an upcoming, like a new small YouTuber, you understand what I'm saying. Like, it's kind of hard trying to figure out like exactly what you want to do to make you actually get views and everything. Like, I do want my channel to be mostly about fashion. That's what I'm mostly into, and I know I haven't really been bringing that to my channel, but I hope, you know, in the future I can, you know, lead in that direction. You know, it's kind of hard, and I'm trying to make it affordable. I'm not trying to make it like expensive. But the thing I am gonna unbox will be, hey, you wanna say hey, Ollie? Let me show you guys. Hold on. He's antisocial. Back to what I was saying, yes, I really want my channel to be about fashion, affordable fashion for everybody, because I feel like everybody cannot afford all the stuff that the celebrities have, but something that comes close to it, you know what I mean? I do feel like I am stylish, but I know when I come on here I'll be looking busted, but that's because like I'm a full-time, like I work full-time, which I'm not saying like no one on here does, but I work full-time. I'm a veterinary technician, so it's like I'm very tired when I get off work. I don't have time to like go shopping for you guys, you know, to show you what I'm, you know, worth and stuff for you to subscribe. But I am going to get there one day. I am dedicated. I'm dedicated because I'm sick of it. I really want to be more consistent, and it's kind of hard. So hopefully 2022 I am consistent in trying to come out with a video at least once a week or twice a week. And I really do like putting out content. Sometimes I don't like to hear how I sound because I feel like I don't sound the way I talk on here, but I know like that's how it is. Sometimes people say with starting you know, in this as a content creator, like you change and evolve, you know. Most of the times you show your true self and whatnot like later on. But anyway, let's get into this video. Today I'm going to do like a small unboxing. Oh, pause. Let me just show y'all my hair is thriving. Yes. Let me show y'all. Stiff weird. I was just gonna unbox a purse that I've been seeing on Coach. You know how like they have those ads on like social media of what you, I feel like what you be thinking. Most of the time you be thinking these things and then you end up like seeing it on, or talking about it, and then you end up seeing it on your ads, and also, you know, looking it up. But I don't really ever look up Coach stuff, even though I have like a lot of Coach stuff. People be sleeping on Coach. Y'all need to stop sleeping on Coach, because Coach got some nice stuff and they're inexpensive, I feel like. And then there's like so many options now these days, like with payment stuff. You can do like payment plans. If y'all know, back in the day they used to do layaway, so it's kind of like layaway, you know what I mean? But you get the stuff and you make payments on it. Then I kind of did that because I was like, I'm not trying to spend that much money, which it wasn't that much because I got it during, what was it, the Black Friday thing or Cyber Monday, one of those. And yeah, it wasn't that much. So like it was originally like $225, but my mom called me today and said that she seen the same purse I was interested in at the outlets, and she said that was like $400 something, and I'm like, no. I said I got this for $165 because it was $225 online, and then it was additional 25% off, and then I think it came out to be like $170 or something like that. That was like in tax. But I just wanted you guys to experience this with me. So, oh my gosh, I went and got my, bring y'all closer. And I couldn't even tell if this was actually my package because the box, I'm not sure how the box was. Okay, so the box was like this. And I'm not gonna show y'all the ticket up there because it kind of got my address on it, but it don't have my apartment number. And then it was showing like on the sides like some random ass numbers, and it wasn't even my number, and I don't even think we have that number here. So I was just like, okay. So it's funny because I ended up just taking it back upstairs because I was like, you know what? I'm sweating. It's hot up in here. And I said, I'm not about to do that. I was like, I'm just going to take this box that doesn't have like an asterisk on it. And if I open it and it's not mine, I'm gonna wrap that shit back up and I'm gonna put it back down there because I was like, I know it's here. Like, it says delivered. Like, normally I get all my packages and they don't get lost. So I ended up bringing it up and I opened it and I was like, that's my package. So, yeah, it was a guess. So, yeah. All right, so I got a Coach bag. And this is the packaging right here. So far, Coach, yes. It's so nice. And yes, I did get a big bag. I know everybody's into the small ones, which I am too. But I wanted a big one this time because, like, when I go traveling, if y'all do not know, y'all always need, if you do traveling, if you don't want to do carry-ons, you always need to probably get like a bigger bag. I mean, yes, you have your book bags, but like a bigger purse if you don't want to carry a book bag. And then also like a nice size carry-on. And then you can stuff other stuff in there, like another purse or another, like, you know, stuff. And yeah, so you can actually put more clothes and carry more stuff with you instead of like trying to check in a bag. Just saying. So I'm so excited. Okay, I gotta put it down. Okay. I'm so excited. I really wanted to do Vlogmas this year, but I had to freaking get another freaking phone because my other phone memory was like shot. I think I had the what I have? I got 13 now. The other one I had was like, I think 11, and I only had 64 gigabytes, and it was, yeah, I was just so upset. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get the 13, and I'm gonna get, I didn't get like, I think I it's 200 something gigabytes. My boyfriend taught me down. I should have got the 1 TB, but terabytes or whatever it is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look. Ah! Oh my god, it's so pretty. Y'all can't tell me this is not cute. Like, you know how some things like just have too much, okay, you know how designers have like their lettering or something like that, like over and over, and it just looks tacky? To me, it looks tacky. Like, I don't care that you got Gucci, like I don't care, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want it. I want people to be like, what is that? That's cute, you know? But I mean, Coach, yes, sometimes they do have like their C's and stuff, but I like this. Like, it doesn't look too much for me. I don't know about other people, but it's cute. What you want? Let me show you my dog. Say hey, Ollie. I'm pretty sure they know who you are by now. Say hey. Say hey. He hates me. He needs grooming, so don't judge him. He's about like his mom. He gets groomed every, like, once a year. I think on Wednesdays, I want to start doing like, wind down with me Wednesdays. Just like to talk and, you know, let things off my chest, and because I know people go through the same thing as I do. Like, it's no way I'm just going through this by myself. It smells like leather. Again, oh yes, I'm gonna record some things like Christmas-like, but it's not gonna be like countdown till Christmas type thing. It's just gonna be, you know. Oh my gosh, what is up with all this extra stuff in? All right. Okay, they got the price in here. Oh God, the retail price is $4.50, but it had it online for $2.25. That was like 60% off, and then they had it where, oh my freaking gosh, and then it was like extra off. Pretty. I freaking love this bag. This is leather, and this is like jean material, you know, like blue jean. I guess like jean material, I don't know. Down here is leather, it's blue. Oh my gosh, and you got leather straps. You have, of course, your logo. They have their little stamp, little key thing right there. Have a zipper thing here. Oh, okay, so on the other side, they have like little holders you can put your stuff in. I like that because you don't really have a lot of things like that, purses like that. You have another zipper. Oh, this is nice. It's your laptop, your everything, your phones, like I feel like your tablets. You can fit all that in this one thing. It's so pretty. I know some people probably like, it's whatever. Okay, I'm gonna get up so you guys can see me modeling it. Oh no, oh my gosh. Oh, this is dope. I like this. Yes. Just imagine, like you can even wear it like a holster. Like this is why I say it is good for you to travel in. Like, come on, this is so nice. And for $165, you can't beat it. This is so cute. Let's try it without the straps. Snap it back up. Snap it. Here. Oh, yes. Not with this outfit. I'm not modeling with this outfit. Get out the way, Ollie. Get out the way. I just decided to do this at the last minute, so I wanted to see how it would be. You know, just it's not bad with the outfit, but anyway, this is just my lounge around outfit. I'm about to wear this. So before y'all go in the comment section and judge me, don't do that. You like it? You wanna get in it? Cute. I like this. All right. Well, we are coming up at the end of the video. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I promise I will try to be more consistent. I'm making promises to myself and you guys. I am. And I'm going to try to do more actual like try on hauls and get ready with me's and stuff like that. I don't really do a lot of makeup, so I don't know. As long as I get my lashes and get my eyebrows did, like I'm okay. And occasionally my nails, then why are you here? As long as I get my hair done, like I'm okay. Like I don't feel like I need to do much of like a makeup. I want to get into makeup, so, but I want to do more with skincare because my face, oh my gosh, don't make me get close to this camera because it is so bad. Like I have dry patches. I need to drink some more water and get some more vitamins. I need more vitamins in my life. If you have any like recommendations on like vitamins, can y'all please leave that in the comment because I did the women's a day thing and they used to make me throw up. I don't know why. All right, lovelies, that's the end of my video, like I said. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, or I will send Ollie after you guys. Anyway, Ollie, he hates me. But stay tuned for some more. Hopefully we do some Christmas stuff this year since we finally are being somewhat consistent. I actually been doing stuff, so stay tuned and we'll get jolly this month. All right, guys, bye.